In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom out of iPhone lock screen. As you can see, everything is just zoomed out on my iPhone lock screen, and if I try to unlock this is probably going to be out of it, and I'll not be able to unlock my iPhone because the zoom in is enabled. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to unzoom iPhone lock screen to gain access to the iPhone on the normal mode. Now to do this, all you need to do is tap the iPhone lock screen 3 times with 3 fingers. So once you do that, I should see the pop-up that says zoom out, change region, show filter, or show controller. Then tap zoom out. Once you hit the zoom out, the iPhone zoom screen will be unzoomed. Then unlock your iPhone. Once that is done, you need to turn off the zoom function on your iPhone. To do this, go to the iPhone settings. Then scroll down and click on accessibility. Tap zoom and then turn off this feature. Once the feature is turned off, your iPhone will be unzoomed whether on lock screen or not. So if this is helpful, if you want to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.